Let's be honest. Let's be practical in this session. See, everyone is talking about AI, right? But very few actually understand what it means for our life. Many people are just seeing ChatGPT's AI, but that's not the case. And you're not able to understand how can you use that in your life, in your work, and in your business. In fact, I've seen some people are afraid of it, they fear it, and some people ignore it, and I feel pity for them. And very few ones, that the top 1%, are using it to multiply their time and income, to save time and multiply income, right? See, I don't want you to sit on the sidelines watching this revolution pass. And that's the reason why I am discussing this. I am, taking this session because you might have missed out many opportunities, but this is an opportunity which you cannot afford to miss because AI is not coming for your job. It's coming with your job. And if you learn to partner with AI, you can do what used to take 10 hours in just 1 hour, which means what your efficiency can be increased by 10 times, your productivity, your profitability can be increased by 10 times, and you can save time by 10 times, right? One by 10 you can save. See, that's what we do at all our business ventures. AI prepare our content, the summaries, the created draft, and the ads, and even running the ads also by AI agents, design the campaign ideas, and even build the entire funnel before even we wake up. So in this session, what I'll do is I'll show you exactly how to understand AI simply and use it to save, your countless hours and make money and build freedom with AI. And also the mistakes, how to avoid those mistakes that make people lazy instead of liberated. What exactly AI? There is no jargon, just the truth, right? AI is nothing mystical. It's just a system that tries to do human-like task. So, see, your Gmail spam filter, AI, your Google Map reroute, AI. But the newest evolution is the generative AI, right? That means what? AI that create new things. It doesn't copy paste. It generate the fresh text, the images, the videos, the music, or even apps by learning patterns from huge data sets which is available. Think of it as a super assistant which is trained on the world's knowledge across everything, across access to the premium data. Even at Tradeskool, for instance, what we did is we use AI to do multiple things to summarize the market data into actionable trading insights, and even to predict the trades also during the mentorship sessions, and convert long lectures into short clips automatically to create the reels and everything. Even we are analyzing the student feedback, generate improvement plans, the trade logs, everything, right? So there is nothing which like we don't use AI, in fact. So here, it's not replacing me. What it's actually doing is it's saving my time. It's giving much higher productivity and efficiency. In fact, it's amplifying me. Right. So always, don't tell this AI will replace me. Rather, you should start saying AI will assist me. Every profession, whether it is marketing or finance or legal or education, of course, it's getting AI supported. It's not that AI is going to replace you. If you are a marketing manager, AI can track the metrics. You can understand the issues and flag the issues and even suggest 20 solutions before you launch, or even with very less time than you ask too many people or than you think about it or brainstorming. They'll tell you the problems with your campaigns. And if you're a teacher, of course, AI can draft lesson plans, quizzes, slides, questions, write solutions and everything. And if you're a coach or a trader like me, AI can analyze data, humongous amount of data. So backtest the data, which humanly is very difficult task. And can write post-market reports, pre-market reports. Everything can be done, and analysis of the market, even the trade analysis, what went wrong, what went right, what you should do tomorrow, what you should not do tomorrow. Everything is AI. So the reframe is very simple. AI is not coming for my job, it's becoming part of my job, right? AI is here to assist me. AI is not here to replace me, and it's not coming for my job. I have to do this, but I have to do it much much higher efficiency. That's what you'll actually get it from AI. And those who adopt at this point of time will move so fast that others can't catch up in 2 years. So don't waste time. Learn this and adopt it. And there are three ways AI can transform your life right now. First, do things faster. You'll be able to do it faster. Do things better. And do new things you never even thought it's possible. So these are the ways, right? So do things faster means the speed and the scale. See, AI can write emails and blog posts instantly. You know that. And it can summarize thousands of pages into one page brief and edit videos and create like 15 shots from 1 hour video automatically. So you can create reels and shorts and content for you. And it can help you to do things better. That it gives that depth and creativity and clarity. Use AI as a coach, not as a cheat, right? For example, when I plan, a new trade school program, what I'll do is I ask AI, see, interview me like a student and, find five risks I'm not seeing, the blind spots. Suggest 10 creative ways to make this offer stand out so that people will buy it, right? It pushes me to think better and not lazier. So again, do new things you never thought that is possible with you. See, a lady once built her own, mahjong, that's a training app without knowing coding, just using AI prompts. Similarly, I have built automation systems for investors club that used to cost lakhs if I want to hire a developer and doing it. But with a simple prompt and AI, I was able to do it with my staffs that we built in just weeks for free, just with my staffs. And AI is not just a time saver, it's a dream accelerator. See, there are four levels of using AI, like from beginner to a pro. At least start micro tasker, right? Use it for small tasks. You can plan your meals, your diet, your workouts. You can generate captions, find the flight options, drafting emails. That's what the basic level, right? Then real-time companion. Open AI's, video mode, and you can talk to that. For example, scan your fridge and say, "What can I cook?" Or share your screen and ask AI to help design a poster, right? Again, you can delegate, hand over 20-minute projects, tell AI to research, summarize data, and build presentations for you. Fourth, teammate. See, at our Civil Service Academy, our AI now summarizes meeting notes, the emails, and send Friday reports and track the project status automatically. So everything is done by AI at different scales. We use it in a different level. And AI handles the routine. You handle the revenue. So rest of it, anything which is repeatedly done can be replaced with AI. You just focus on your revenue and the growth part only. So, see, most people get average answers because they give AI average inputs. Don't say, plan a vacation. Instead, what you can tell is, I have a family of five, want a warm 3-day trip in September. 1 lakh is my budget. We love heritage location, but want new food experiences. So it's taken into consideration all these. The more context you give, the smarter it responds. And look at our academies, the Tradeskool, our prompt templates for trading content have 20 context points, right? The style, you can see almost a similar style. That's the way the content is prepared, the tone, the target audience, and the past examples, the call to action, the color theme that we use. That's why our output, like it looks like very human and not robotic. But see, 70% of it's actually done with the help of AI only. So remember, AI doesn't replace creativity. It in fact rewards clarity, make you efficient, it save you time. And again, what are the mistakes that you need to avoid when you're using AI? First, I told you just before that you need more context. When you are using little context, see, AI is not telepathic, right? So if you are using little context, it's difficult. And then don't use it like Google. Stop asking for answers. Start asking for ideas, frameworks, systems. That's where you need actually the help of AI and over reliance on AI. If you are AI lazily, if you are completely relying on that or using AI lazily, of course, you will get lazy, right? So you use AI to think deeper, to increase your thinking capacity and not just skip thinking. Don't take it in such a way that AI will think for you. No. You see, AI should make you think deeper, right? So that's the objective need to be so that you will get a better version of you with the AI assisted version. Think of AI as a junior team member. You train it, you guide it, and you audit it. You keep getting that revenue, you keep saving the time, you keep getting that productivity. Now, The question is how AI can help you to make money now. See, for freelancers, for coaches, for traders, for any matter, right? So if you're a freelancer, you can use AI to create your logos, your website, your marketing plans, and you can charge clients 10x more faster, more and faster. And for coaches, you can auto generate the scripts, slides, and ads. You can repurpose videos into reels instantly also. So for coaches, that's how you can earn. Multiple options are there. See, the way you create content, the if again depending upon in which field you are. For example, if you're UPSC coaching, your content is prepared, right? Your classes is prepared, and your quizzes are prepared. Your test series for prelims is prepared. The solution is prepared. Mains is prepared. So everything is getting done. And for traders, you use AI to analyze the market news, summarize the institutional data in just seconds. You get the pre-market data, you get the post-market data, you get the global market outlook, the Asian market outlook, and get prepared what you're actually going to do in the market. And even during the market also, you can ask AI just by giving a snapshot of this chart and then whether I can take this trade or not. Make a double confirmation and take it. So AI give you what you never had before, right? That's the leverage without a large team. Otherwise, you need a large team, but that's not required now when you have AI. At Tradeskool, AI is our 24 into 7 intern that never gets tired and never asks for a pay hike also. What more we need? So see, there are errors also. Sometimes AI, confidently lies. It's called hallucination rate. It's currently about 1%, but there is a reason, right? We taught AI to always be helpful and not to be honest. So when it doesn't know, it make a guess. It try to help. It's what ultimately it's doing is it's trying to help you something which they don't know. So what is the solution? What you can do is you can verify sources, ask it to cite the sources, and you can use the grounded models or web connected tools. See, AI is powerful, but you remain the editor in chief. You are the one finally take the decision. That's why I told you AI is not going to replace you. AI is going to assist you. Right. So it makes you productive and it makes you think deeper. It's not a replacement. You have to think, you have to do the final things, right? So you are the editor in chief, the one finally deciding what is final. Again, see, I love this line. Use AI to become the person you want to be. When you have such opportunity, use it. At one point, I used AI as a mirror. I would type. In fact, if I look at my this one folder, I have my assistant, right? So see, I am feeling stuck as a business owner. Interview me like a mentor, right? It asked questions I was avoiding actually, and by the end, I had my answers. What's my problem and everything. So it's like having a 24 into 7 coach who asks questions and not judging me. You may not like someone who's judging me, but you may want someone who's asking you questions, right? So you can even build AI tools that reframe your negative thoughts into motivational ones. Possible. And that's how I help myself and my students to reprogram their mindset. We do it. My team members, my students, especially UPSC students. See, what I want to tell is don't lean back, lean in. The biggest mistake people make is waiting for the perfect time to start for everything. See, there is no such perfect time. Just 5 seconds of courage is what you need. Just start right now. The ones who experiment, who learn to delegate tasks to AI, who automate mails, right? Generate ideas. They'll become 10x faster and 100x richer in skills and its impact. Because soon, right, AI won't just be an option. It will be the language of business itself. So start small and you see, open ChatGPT or any AI tool tonight and type, I am so and so, whether you're a teacher or a coach or a trader or entrepreneur trying to, achieve this goal. So I am so and so trying to achieve this goal, so and so. Ask me 10 questions to help me to get there. That one single prompt that can change how you think forever. Because see, when you learn to work with AI, you are not just saving time, you are building the future version of yourself. You're increasing productivity maybe 10 times, you're increasing efficiency, and thereby your skills. And of course, when you're raising your skills, your revenue will also be raised in that same way. So start using AI in such a way that it's not going to be a replacement. It will assist you. Make AI as your assistant, and also make AI think you deeper rather than you stop thinking. Cool. So that's all. what I want to discuss. Hope it helped. See you in the next video.